velocity of a particle in 2 dimensions, yeah, velocity of a particle in a plane. Let the displacement of a particle in small time dt is del r. This is small time dt is del r. This is particle moving from A to B. Its average velocity is va, and let it covers a small distance del r in small time del t. Okay, therefore, what will be the average velocity? VAV. It will be equal to del R by del T. Okay. The direction of this average velocity is in the direction of the displacement, that is in this displacement. It is moving from A to B, so direction will be also from A to B. Okay. As this del T, it approaches to 0. As it approaches to 0, the point B, ये जो point B है, it will coincide with, it will approach towards point A, ठीक है, it will approach towards point A. So this instantaneous velocity at instant del t is given by, therefore the instantaneous velocity at instant of time del t is given by किसके बराबर होगा? V is will equal to limit of del t tends to 0, del r by del t. This is the instantaneous velocity. ठीक है. Wire जो del r है, del r की क्या है? This is the, since we are talking the motion in 2 dimensions, del r, it is along x-axis as well as along y-axis. The component will be del x along x-axis and it will be del y along y-axis. ठीक है. Therefore, V will be equal to limit of del t tends to 0, del xi by del t plus del yj by सारा आएगा del t. ठीक है. और it will be equal to limit of del t tends to 0, del xi by del t plus limit del t tends to 0, del xj, del yj by del t. ठीक है. यहाँ simple you can write V is equal to dr by dt is equal to ये along axis dx by dt along x-axis plus dy by dt along y-axis. Now V will be equal to this dx by dt, this is Vx, velocity along x-axis, and dy by dt, this is Vy along y-axis. So the velocity of the particle in 2 dimensions is V is equal to Vxi along x-axis and Vyj along y-axis, or mod of V is equal to V is equal to under root of Vx square plus Vy square. This will be the, ठीक है, जब हम ट्रायंगल लॉ इसको हम अप्लाई करेंगे, so it will become V is equal to Vxi square and Vxy V square y. So this is the velocity of a particle in 2 dimensions.